Oh, that damn corner again. Oh no! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going out for the A main of Sedan with the Mugen MTC2R. I'm at Smiths Falls Gallipo Center. This will be the third to last race here. I will miss the second to last. I will make the final at end of April. So we're just winding down the season here. The car's been working well. I've somewhat resolved the steering issues. I went to that fixed horn. I ended up breaking the plastic horn in this following week that I didn't record. I don't record every single week here because I find that you guys will get bored of it if I don't make any changes to the cars and I'm just running laps. So I don't necessarily record every time. I also like to take a break myself sometimes. Anyway, I did snap the plastic horn the last race with this, which you did not see. I've gone to a metal horn. The geometry is a little bit off, so I'm running it in the lower hole. It's still a little bit too high, but it works, and it's been holding up. It's taken a couple of hits here and there. I've also fixed the transponder. The transponder had a cold solder joint inside. I noticed that at the last race, after it had been plugged in and on for a while, it would start doing a fast blink, and it was a intermittent bad connection on the inside wiring. Also, the timing loop had some damage to it, so they fixed the damage in the timing loop. I fixed my transponder. Metal servo horn now, as well as I'm cleaning the tires with the SXT Afterburn instead of brake cleaner, and it does a little bit better job at conditioning the tires before I put on the tire sauce. So those are the changes this week. We're going out there in the A main. I thought that I secured TQ. I came darn close to getting TQ. I ended up getting second, so I'll start P2 in the A main. Coming up next. All right, here we go. Sedan A main, starting in P2, I believe. Okay. Oh, this car feels so different to the F1. It is on rails compared to the F1. I have to be really careful about turning in too early.
So we have check-ins from everybody. We have our marshals are getting up here, so we should be ready to roll.
Is there only going to be three of us?
Lineup will be Noah, John, Sam, Dean.
Straight's closed? Straight's closed. You're in pole, Noah. I pulled up too far. He's ahead of me, James. He's ahead of me. Oh, you got me in Q2. I had a really good Q3, but you'd had an earlier qual that was better by 100 milliseconds.
I'm last.
Hammer down. No, you're.
Oh no! Turned in. That corner has been my nemesis all day. And it's got a little brace on it, so it's flipped over my car every time I've hit that. Oh. All right, see if I can do some clean laps and make it back.
Watch straight.
Clear. Caution sleeper.
Definitely help John get caught up. Second, third, and fourth, we're running nose tail.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are Noah in first place with a 29 lap 5:04.3 pace, followed by Dean in second place with a 26 lap 5:11.7 pace, followed by Sam Chu in third place with a 25 lap 5:01.2 pace, followed by John K in fourth place with a 25 lap 5:02.7 pace.
Oh, turned in a little too early. Good try, man. You were holding me off for a while. All right, I gotta chase down the green machine. He's almost a full lap up on me, but we're all on the same lap. Everyone's on the same lap still. Maybe Sam's down one, but.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are Noah in first place with a 29 lap 508.4 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 28 lap 509.6 pace, followed by Dean in third place with a 27 lap 501.3 pace, followed by Sam Zhu in fourth place with a 26 lap 502.2 pace.
Got the green in my sights now. I'm trying to. Oh, don't do that.
2 minutes left.
You know, I'm pushing hard, making mistakes.
John's actually catching Noah at this rate.
After 3 minutes 15 seconds, the top drivers are Noah in first place with a 29 lap 507.3 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 29
See, now he's gonna
lap
be
509.6
blocking me is the thing. I gotta get a clean shot to try and get past him.
505 flat pace, followed by Sam Zhu in fourth place with a 27 lap 507.3 pace.
Oh, that damn corner again. Oh no! Body tuck. Ah! I got a bad trying. Thank you. Frig. Oh, broken. Oh, it just fully jammed up.
45 seconds left.
Oh no. Noah's got. Everyone's got.
After 4 minutes 21 seconds,
I felt like an axle.
the top drivers are Noah in first place with a 29 lap 505.9 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 28
I took a
lap
lot of hard end front hits. I would
507
imagine the front end is
followed by
broken.
Dean in third place with a 28 lap 505.2 pace, followed by Sam Zhu in fourth place with a 27 lap
I could feel that, yeah.
505.2 pace.
John did have the fastest lap of
15
this.
seconds left.
9.611.
That's not a good place to come to a complete stop.
I couldn't get out of the way.
Sam Zhu done. Dean done.
Yeah, luckily it was a Marshall there. It was fully locked up. I couldn't
Drivers
move.
are finished. The race
Yeah.
is completed.
Yeah, man. Congrats, Noah. Frig, I was nipping at your heels and then my car broke.
Race number 11.
It's this corner here with this metal support, because when I'm cutting in this early, it's that damn aluminum probably broke my car. Anyway, but that was me.
Mark Harrison.
Your pin is halfway out of your dog bone.
Okay, yeah, all
And
right.
that's why it won't let you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I think I exploded a front axle bearing. I'll have to look at that in a minute. All right, guys, that's how she goes sometimes. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.